Forest House is an extraordinary architectural work designed by Gonzalo Bardach Arquitectura. This 280 square meter house stands amidst a pine forest on the coast of Buenos Aires, Argentina. Utilizing the natural landscape of sand dunes, the house offers an emotional and profound spatial experience, harmoniously connecting the exterior and interior worlds. Forest House is not just a residence, it is a refugium, a retreat that prioritizes the relationship between humans and nature. The architect utilizes the natural contours of the sand dunes to build a house that blends with the topography, creating an open space at its core that serves as the main focal point. This space acts as a visual and physical bridge between the front and back of the house, while also providing a place for contemplation and tranquility in the midst of the forest. The fluid and organic form of the building reflects a perfect fusion between architecture and landscape. Sunlight plays a crucial role in the design of this house. As sunlight filters through the foliage and falls onto the house's surfaces, it creates ever-changing shadow patterns, bringing a dynamic and living atmosphere. Forest House utilizes materials in their most natural state. Liquid stone, wood, iron, and glass are the primary elements that not only create a warm aesthetic, but also require minimal maintenance over time. Liquid stone, as the signature element of this project, is used to adapt the structure to the land's topography, giving the impression that the house emerges directly from the ground. One of the most fascinating aspects of Forest House is its landscape design, which is based on botanical research of native species from the Buenos Aires coastal region. The result is a three-dimensional garden that not only enhances human experiences, but also supports the local ecosystem's sustainability. The organic approach to garden maintenance allows vegetation to grow naturally without rigid patterns, creating an ever-evolving and adaptive landscape. Additionally, the house's design considers bio-environmental aspects, carefully aligning with solar orientations and wind patterns. Natural lighting is optimized throughout the spaces, while cross-ventilation ensures proper airflow, maintaining thermal comfort naturally without relying on artificial cooling systems. Forest House is designed as a single-level structure with 3 semi-buried pavilions whose roofs merge with the land. This creates an artificial topography that appears to be absorbed by the forest. The pavilions are interconnected by a green roof that shelters the central living space. The first and second pavilions serve as resting areas and service rooms. The third pavilion is the social hub, featuring the kitchen, dining area, and living room. This area opens up to an outdoor gallery, allowing residents to experience a direct connection with the surrounding landscape. Forest House is more than just a home. It is an experience that rekindles the connection between humans and nature. With a design that prioritizes contemplation, tranquility, and harmony with the environment, this house provides a sanctuary from the chaos of modern life. Beyond being a physical structure, Forest House is an emotional and spiritual expression, where architecture serves as a medium to celebrate the beauty and serenity of nature. Thank you for watching this house tour. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on more inspiring home designs at Block 7. See you in the next video.